Hi, my name is Nelson Santos and I'm in George Stewart's Section 2 Physics class. Today I'll be conducting an experiment to determine which materials conduct electricity and which do not. If the material conducts electricity, I have a light bulb that will light up. However, if the material does not conduct electricity, the light bulb will not light up. To execute this experiment, I have connected a wire to the end of a 12-volt battery and the other end of the wire to the base of a 6-volt light bulb. Then I used another wire and connected it to the negative end of the battery and the other side or tip of the cable, which I'm not using, which is this right here, I have let it loose. With this, I will conduct my experiments on which materials conduct electricity and which do not. As you can see here, if I put the negative cable to the tip of the light bulb, it lights up. For this experiment, I will use a rubber band, paper, and coins to demonstrate which materials conduct electricity and which do not. Let us start with a rubber band. We put the rubber band at the end of the light bulb and put the end of the loose wire to the rubber band. As you can see here. Since it does not light up, that means that the rubber band does not conduct electricity. Therefore, rubber is an insulator. An insulator is any material which resists the flow of electrons. Next, I will test the paper. To the paper, I will do the same. I'll put the paper at the bottom of the light, as you can see here, and then the loose wire to the paper. As you can see, the light bulb still doesn't light up. It means that the paper is an insulator. Finally, I will test out with some coins. I have a penny and a quarter. I'll put the quarter, like we're doing with the other materials, on the end of the light bulb. And then I will use the tip of the negative cable and I will touch the quarter. As you can see, it lights up. I will try the penny. And as you can see, it also lights up. In conclusion, in an electric circuit, there are conductors. Conductors are material that can carry electricity. They allow electric currents to pass through them, and they take the current from one place to another. Metals such as copper, aluminum, silver are typically conductors. Metal materials are known for being good conductors. This is because metals, by definition, are substances that readily lose electrons, because they usually have lesser numbers of electrons needed to fulfill the outermost valence electron, so it rather loses the electrons. An insulator does not conduct electricity. Typical insulators are plastics and glass. A quarter is an alloy. It's a mixture of metals, and penny is made of zinc, another metal. Therefore, they are conductors, which you can see as I place, again, the battery to the bottom of the light bulb and the tip of the negative tip of the wire to the light, and it lights up. In the circuit, battery is the power supply. A power supply gives energy to electric current in order to the light bulb to light up. It needs the energy from the battery. And electric current is a flow of electrons which are negatively charged. The battery produces direct current rather than alternate current. In the circuit, the battery is the power supply. A power supply gives energy to the electric current in order for the light bulb to light up. It needs the energy from the battery, and electric current is a flow of electrons, which is negatively charged. The battery produces direct current rather than alternating current. In a direct current, the electric charge flows in a constant direction when the circuit is closed. Alternating currents reverse direction. The current flows from the battery to the cable to the light bulb back to the battery. There is a constant flow of electrons.